and it just started rising from ankle to knee to waist. I had 4 children there, a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old, a 9-year-old, and an 11-year-old. And I thought that Lakeland was the most safest place to come because it was considered more inland instead of like by Bayshore area where my family is. So when it got up when it got up all the way up the window, it got up the window and it started coming in the house from the window, and the refrigerator started floating. I turned out the power. Me and my children hopped on the oven, and once we hopped on the oven, I called my mom and told my mom, I think me and my children are about to drown to death.